Hi guys, welcome to WORX Product Introduction. My name is Scott, I'm your WORX specialist. Today, I'm here to introduce you the WORX Cordless 21 Max Latent Angle Grinder, WX802. The WORX 21 Angle Grinder is a cordless tool that lightweight and compact tool. That is, with slim body design, improve the comfort and control. Inside, it is part of the 20-watt power share platform. You can share the batteries with other 20-watt WORX tools you already own, saving the money. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing session. Welcome to WORX product unboxing session. So in the right top is a cordless grinder. And next is the battery for this tube. And we do provide a fast charger for this battery. Next is the auxiliary handle, spanner, metal cutting disc. Last, we have the product manual and warranty card. Want to know more about WORX? Subscribe us from now.